Welcome back to iPhone YouTube channel. Nowadays, more and more people like to use Line app to communicate. It is important to manage your Line chat data and information and back up your data. In today's video, I will show you two methods to help you back up and export Line data. Let's see how it's going. Method 1. Backup Line data to iCloud. Go to Settings, tap on your Apple ID, click iCloud, slide down to open the Line button. Then open Line on your device. Click Home, Setting, and Chat. And then you can see the Backup Chat History option. Method 2. Use iTransor for Line to back up data on PC. iTransor for Line enables you to back up all kinds of data from your iPhone, such as Line photos, video, attachments, etc. Let's see how to do it. Step 1. Download iTransor for Line and open it on your PC. Make sure of the backup location, then click Start. The program will detect and back up Line chat history automatically. The processing may take several minutes, so keep waiting. Click Done and the process of backup will finish. Choose the Read and Export Line data from iTransor backup function. Select the specific or all data you want to transfer and tap on the Export button. When the processing is finished, the target saving folder will automatically open, and you can check the details of your Line backups on PC. Okay, that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything, leave a like or your comment. See you next time.